Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to avoid highways on Google Maps. First of all, open Google Maps. Here search your location. Then click on Directions to follow the route. You can see the total time from your place to destination. Click on three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Route Options. Turn on the Avoid Highway option. Now go back and see the distance and routes towards your destination. Again, click on three dots and go into Routes. Turn off the Avoid Highways option. See the difference in both ways. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.